Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. I have a treat for you today. I got some hair mail. So I got 4 wigs from Paula Young and I'm gonna unbox them, and I'm not gonna shake them up. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna do an unboxing and a try on to show you everyone that I have. So are we ready? What I have on right now is Sunset. It should already be up. This is Sunset in Carmelized Brown. So I got a couple of, I wanted a little bit of difference. So the first one that we have is Brooklyn in 1488, which I believe is golden wheat. So let's see what Brooklyn has in here. So we've got, it's such a tiny box that she's in. So can you see? This is Brooklyn. They come with the little, okay. The color looks very nice. I wanted to try a couple of different blondes that I didn't have before. So this is Brooklyn. Take the netting off. And then, oop, that always sticks everywhere. Oh, the color's pretty. Can you see it? 1488, which I'm 99% sure is golden wheat. Okay, so let's see what we have for. All right, so I'm not going to do a review. See, I want to start showing you everything. I'm just going to put her on and see what she looks like. So this is Brooklyn. Let's see what she looks like. Okay. All right, so I'm not going to shake her up. I'm going to be good. Just so you can see what she looks like out of the box. Uh-oh. What did I buy? Oh, she's not too bad. Oh, this is just, she needs a little work. Definitely some box hair we got here. I don't know if she's supposed to have bangs. Maybe she's supposed to have bangs. But if it's bangs, yeah, I think she looks like she's supposed to have bangs. So we'll have to cut the bangs. Oh, but she's cute. I can work with this. She's got permatease all in here. I'm not gonna shake it up. But for anyone that was looking at Brooklyn, this is what Brooklyn looks like. Yeah, she definitely looks like she's a bangs. Okay, Brooklyn, and I like the color. I do kind of like the color. Take it a little bit around. Okay, what do we have next? Not that crazy about this one. This is Brooke in 2414. I don't know my numbers. So 2414. So I wanted to try one of the curly ones. I know some of the ladies have been wearing curly. So we've got, so the 2414 looks like a little, oh, we got the little things here. So you see it looks a little, it's nice in there. Oh, this one's connected, I think, a little bit. Okay, put that down. Okay, her cap's already showing. Just looks like a basic cap. Take the netting off. If I can figure it out. This one's a real curly one. I know that. And she is, ooh, massive curls. Isn't that cute? I like the color. 2414. I apologize. I should have wrote down what the numbers were because I'm not that great yet with the numbers and the colors. So this is 2414. Okay. Oh, took my cap off. Holy Toledo. We don't want to see all that craziness. Which way does it go? Back here. All right, let's get this back on. Okay, and this is the Milano Wig Grip Cap. So it's both in one. I highly recommend. All right, let's try Brooke on. Let's see. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? Oh my God. Oh, these curls are gorgeous. All right, she definitely needs, she looks like she has a part here. She definitely needs just a little bit of work to loosen up some of these curls. But, oh, and I love this color. Oh, I love this. I wouldn't wear it like this. We obviously have some work to do on it. But, oh, I love it. I love the color. I love the curls. This is Brooke. Let me give you a quick all around. Okay, that's Brooke. Now, this next one is Leighton in color 21/88 S8. So this is Leighton. There are a couple of different styles that I haven't yet, you know, played with. Ooh, the color is pretty. Look at this one. I like the color on this one. Oop, everything's falling out. You see that? That looks pretty. So let's see what she has. So, she's even got some of this in here. The other ones didn't have any of that. So they must want it to hold the style. And Leighton, I believe, was another short one. Okay, so here's the color. Oh, it's pretty. Looks like my honey blonde almost. I wonder if it's that or honey. Can't be honey. But that color is pretty. This is Leighton. So let's see what she looks like. Oh, she's cute. She's, reminds me of like Maya, almost. Maya, Deidre. This is cute. Yeah, she just needs a little bit of work. This is Leighton. And this is 21/88 S8. And in the description box, I'll put the color names once I look them up. Oh, this one's really cute. Yeah, this is Leighton, Leighton. Yeah, this one's going to be really cute. I'm going to like this one. Here's all the way around. Ooh, she's cute. I like it. And then the last one is McKenna. So I got McKenna in SF12/28, which that I believe is my honey color. So let's get this last one. So this is McKenna. Okay. We've got the paper. Yeah, this looks like honey. My honey color. Okay. And let's see. She has some of this inside stuff too. And we've got the netting. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah, she's pretty. This definitely looks like the honey. The SF12/28. Okay. All right, let's see what she looks like. I really like this Leighton. This one's gonna be pretty. I'll have to put this on for next week. I think I'm gonna put this on the roundup for next week. I like Leighton. All right, so this is McKenna. And I got 4 more in the mail today. These ones came about 2 weeks ago. And I have been meaning to do a hair mail for you. Oh, this is nice. She has like jaggeded. This is cute. This is very cute. Let me see. I don't think it's up right there. Like, oh, this is cute. This is like a bob, but with a little bit of layering and some, you know, ends here. And this is my honey, my color honey. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Let me give you a go around. Okay. And then I have one more I wanted to show you. I traded someone 2 wigs for Aimee. I traded Aimee. Let me grab Aimee. So Aimee is in the golden wheat, which is the 1488. So she's cute. I wanted to just show you that. This is McKenna, in case anyone's been interested in McKenna. I think this one's got some good potential. Just got to play with her a little bit. So I just want to show you Aimee too. Okay, because Aimee I really liked. Yeah, Aimee is in 1488. I really liked. I thought this one was really cute. Yeah, it had like a little bit on the end. Yeah, I thought Aimee was cute. So I'm going to work with Aimee too. So this is Aimee in the golden wheat, 1488. So she's cute too. So there's 5 hair mails for you that I got a couple weeks ago, and I did get a new one today. So I took advantage of that 40% off. I think I did 2 orders. So one came today, and I think one is coming tomorrow. So I'll have some more hair mail for you. So that's it for today, really quick. So hopefully the reviews with me making them wearable will be coming up shortly. But here's some hair mail for you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.